Why don't senior citizens play musical chairs? Because when the music stops, they all forget what they were doing and start chair dancing instead. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on chair dancing for seniors. Tip 1. Safety first. Before starting with chair dancing, seniors should ensure the chair they are using is sturdy and won't easily tip over. Ideally, the chair should have armrests for additional support. Also, seniors should wear comfortable non-slip shoes to prevent unwanted accidents. Tip 2. Warm up. Like any other physical activity, it's important to do some warm-up exercises before chair dancing. These can include simple movements like rotating the neck, flexing the fingers, or moving the feet in a circular motion. Tip 3. Know your limits. Seniors should always be aware of their physical limits. If a move causes discomfort or seems too difficult, it's okay to skip it. The goal of chair dancing is to have fun and stay active, not to push one's abilities to the point of pain. Tip 4. Involve all parts of the body. Chair dancing is not just about the legs. Seniors should be encouraged to move their heads, arms, fingers, ribs and hips. The more parts of the body involved, the more effective the activity will be at promoting overall mobility and coordination. Tip 5. Start slow. It's recommended for seniors to start chair dancing with slow and simple steps or movements. As they get more comfortable with these, they can gradually add more complex movements to their routines. Tip 6. Make it regular. To enjoy all the benefits of chair dancing, it should be done regularly. Setting a specific time each day or week for chair dancing sessions can be helpful. Tip 7. Hydrate. Seniors should keep water nearby and take regular breaks for hydration during chair dancing. Maintaining good hydration is essential for overall health. Tip 8. Incorporate varied music. Using different types of music can make chair dancing more enjoyable and engaging. Moreover, faster or slower music can help change the intensity of the workout. Tip 9. Group activities. If it's possible, seniors can do chair dancing as a group. This can make it more fun, and it provides an opportunity for social interaction. Tip 10. Use props. To add variety to chair dancing routines, seniors can use props like scarves, tambourines or maracas. They can wave, shake or toss these as part of their movements. Tip 11. Consistently check posture. Throughout the dancing movements, seniors should maintain good posture. This not only helps to increase the effectiveness of the exercise, but also prevents potential injuries from slouching or incorrect alignments. Proper posture involves keeping the back straight, shoulders back and down, and engaging the core.